area. The area of a square is the square inside rectangle area. The area of a rectangle of the rectangle rhombus area. The area of a rhombus of the
lines that meet at a right angle. This is a pattern of horizontal and vertical lines that runs for a paragraph with a pictorial representation of data using bars. Pictograph uses pictures or symbols to represent data. Data is a collection of information gathered for study. It can be in the form of numbers, pictures or words.
Possible events and even there may or may not happen. Money is used to goods and services. In mathematics, we learn count and add, subtract, and make a bills using money. Rupee is the basic unit of money. Money in India. Paise is a smaller unit of Indian money. 1 rupee equal 100 paise. Bill is a polygon is a closed plan figure made of straight line segments. Regular polygon angle sum is a total of all inside a polygon. Integral angle formed inside of a polygon. Straight angle is a angle one side a polygon. Circumference is the circumference
distance around a circle. Mensuration is the branch of mathematics which deal Mensuration is the branch of mathematics with deal length, area and volumes. Area of parallelogram is found by multiplying it is base and with corresponding height. Area of triangle formula give the area of the product of its proposal means two quantities increase or decrease together at the same rate. Inverse proportions means when one quantity increases, the other decreases at the same rate, together at the same rate. Data range interpretation help understand how spread out the data values. Pie chart is a circular graph divided into sectors to represent parts of a whole. Probability is the chance of event happening. Its value always lies between 0 and 1. Thank you. Hello. Tell me bye. Outcome is the possible result of the experiment. V1 is a group of outsettings of experiments. Experiment is the possible and the experiment. The setting of a possible outcomes before the experiment. Thank you all. Addition of polynomials means combining like terms from two or more polynomials to get the simplified result. Subtraction of polynomials means finding the difference between polynomials by changing sign and combining like terms. Multiplication of monomials is done by multiple coefficients and adding of like variables. Linear expression is an algebraic expression in which the highest power
Rectangle equal diameter in a rectangle diagonal are equal Romans equal sides theorem in a Romans all four sides are equal but make parallelogram equal opposite sides theorem in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal and parallelogram equal sides theorem in and all three
parallel lines or lines never meet the never the same distance. A transversal is a line intersects two or more lines at different points. Volume of the cylinder equal to by r square h. Surface area of cube equal to 6 into side. Volume of the cone equal to 1 by 3 by r square h. Curved surface area or to the cylinder equal to 2 by r h. 1 liter equal to 1000 ml.
Rectangle inequality. The sum of two sides of a triangle inequality third side. The square inequal square has four lines symmetry. Triangle inequality.
of a square divided into 4 concurrent right angle isosceles triangle. Rectangle symmetry divide theorem. Dialog of a rectangle divided into 2 pairs. Circle angle semicircle theorem. Yes, is the angle subtended by a perimeter of polygon is a total length of all sides of a polygon added together. Speed time graphical is a graphical representation showing how speed changing without time. Distance time graph show how distance changes over a time. Straight line indicates uniform speed. Average speed is the total distance changes divided by the total time taken. Unit conversion is the process of changes a measurement from one unit to other without changing its actual value. And addition is the process of finding delta to one more number. Subtraction is the operation of taking a number away from another. Multiplication is the process of repeated addition of the same number. Division is the splitting into equal parts. A fraction represents a part of the whole. This way is to express numbers that are not all using a point of measurements by 100 and is issued to display portion out of 100. This will is to express numbers that are not all using a point measurements by 100 and is used to display portion out of 100. This is the comparison of two numbers by division. Angle is into indexing lines by studying degrees. Perimeter is the total distance around a shape of figure by the wall. Here numbers based in that equation mathematical and what numbers are based in that is CD of the mathematical probability of the average represented data by equation mathematical with the equation about the variables usually represent non-value indicates over any whole number with a partial zero practice number 31 number with a living time what is the result of multiple number by an integer prime number the number that takes 1 into factor 1 is 5 into 1. Simplify means to reduce and simplify from common denominator is the least multiple that two or more fractions are in the denominator. Least common multiple is the smallest number that divides two or more number. Greatest common divisor is the largest number that divides two or more number etc. Cross multiple is a method used to solve proportion. Next number fractional part is a part of number later than fraction. Next number is made up of a whole number and a fraction. Improper fraction is where the numerator is always the denominator. Reciprocal of a fraction obtained by solving numerator and denominator. The percentage is a fraction out of 100. Thank you. Smallest natural number equal 1. Smallest whole number equal 0. Additive inverse of a equal minus a. Multiplicative inverse of a equal 1 divided by a. Square root of a perfect square equal square root of a. Cube root of a perfect cube equal cube root of a. Sum of first n natural number equal n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Sum of first n even number equal n into n plus 1. Sum of first n odd number equal equal n square. Number of even number between 1 and n equal n divided by 2. Thank you. Next formulas. Numbers of odd number between 1 and n equal n plus 1. Divisible 2. Difference of square equal a square minus b square. Square of an even number equal even. Square of odd number equal odd. Product of two negative integers equal positive. Product of positive and negative integers equal negative. Division of two negative integers equal positive. Division of unlike sign equal negative. Observe value root equal minus a. Square of an integer equal a minus 1. Thank you. Discount rate concept. Discount rate is the percentage with which the marked price less than the original price. Net price concept. Net price is the final amount a buyer pay after applying discount or reduction on the marked price. Simple less variable concept. Simple less depend on three variable principal rate of interest and time period for which interest is calculated. Interest assimilation concept. Interest assimilation explain how many money grows on time. When interest is added to the principal during a concept problem. The loan concept. A loan is a borrowed money that must be repaid with or without is used for personal education or business purpose. Thank you. Expense concept. Expense refers to money spent on goods, service or obligation. Tracking expense help manage finance effectively. Balance concept. Balance is the remaining amount of money after deduction, withdrawals or spending. It indicates available funds for future use. Cost compression concept. Cost compression involves evaluating prices of similar items to choose the most economical or value for money option. Unit price concept. Unit price is the cost of a single item or standard quantity, helping compare prices and make informed purchases. Financial decision making. Financial decision making involves spending, saving or investing money logically and strategically to achieve financial goals efficiently. Thank you to all. Math formulas.
integer a equal a minus 1. 0 has no reciprocal. Small complement complicate number has more than 2 factors. 0 has no reciprocal. Prime number has exactly 2 factors. Number divisible by 9 equal sum of digit divisible by 9. Divisibility by 11 equal difference of alternative digit.
Mathematics in shopping help calculate total cost, discount, taxes and change, ensuring accurately payment and budgeting. Price estimation involve approximating the cost of items before purchase. It help quick decision making plan and planning expansion. Profit planning is the profit planning concept. Profit planning is the process of determining selling price, cost and accepted earnings accepted earnings to ensure business profitability. Economic awareness involve understanding how money is earned, spent and managed in daily life, promoting financial responsible behavior. Financial literacy concept. Financial literacy states smart money, here spend, saving and budgeting, investing and unnecessary debate for long term financial well-being. Presentation content, currency conversion concept. Currency conversion exchange one country's money for using another current exchange rate, essential for trade, travel and global transaction. Investment concept. Investment involves allocating money in a asset stocks or business to earn returns and grow wealth over time. Saving interest concept. Saving interest is the money earned by depositing funds in a bank, calculated as a percentage of the principal over a period. Expense tracking concept. Expense tracking involves monitoring, recording and spending to manage budget, control cost and ensure financial discipline. Mathematics in business. Mathematics in business applies concepts like profit, loss, percentage, ratio and interest to make informed financial and operational decisions.
Happy evening to all. My name is P.K. studying 6th standard. My group name is Bhaskara. Today tell about mathematical concept. Mathematical puzzle concept. Mathematical puzzle provides ways to practice problem solving, logical thinking and numerical skill will engage in the mind creativity. Magic square concept. Magic square are number arrangement in a square grid where the sums of rows, columns and diagonal are equal, shuffling number patterns and symmetry. Max game concept. Max game combining strategy, calculation in a grid where the sums of rows,
brain teachers concept. Brain teachers are challenging question or riddles question or find solution. Thank you to all. Math concept, the history of number. Concept, the history of number. Explain how human developed counting and numerical system over the time. Origin and evaluation of number. Ancient number system. Ancient number system like Roman, Egyptian and Babylonian. So whose civilization represent and civilization represent number in trade, astronomy, in daily life. Abacus concept. Abacus is an yearly calculation tools using which on to prepare arithmetic and developmental math calculation skills. Vedic mathematics concept. Vedic mathematics involve mental math technique is derived from Asian Indian cerebelling, enabling and fast calculation using patterns and shortcuts. Vedic mathematics estimation strategies concept. Estimation strategies provide method for quickly approximately value sum or results useful for acrossly and making fast decision calculation. Thank you to all.
Cube of multiply of 10 with 3 0. Perfect square as even number of factorization. Rational number are close to under multiplication. Rational number are close to under multiplication. Integer are close to under subtraction. Integer are not close to under division. Natural number are whole number are not close to under subtraction. Natural number are close to under division. 0 divided by any not 0. 0 number equal to 0.
Fraction of a quantity equal to fraction multiply quantity. Decimal fraction denominator equal to 10 power n. Terminator decimal equal to denominator as 2 or 5. Not terminator. Recovers equal to our prime factors. Improper to mixed fraction equal to divide numerator. Mixed to improper fraction equal to multiply denominator plus numerator plus denominator. Fraction addition recovers LCM of denominator. Fraction subtraction recovers common denominator. Decimal multiplication
Decimal division makes divisor whole. Percentage of number equal to number. Multiple percentage by 100. Increase amount equal to original. Multiple increase percentage by 100. Decrease amount equal to original. Multiple decrease percentage by 100. Value after increase equal to original plus increase. Value after decrease equal to original plus minus decrease.
profit occurs if SP greater than CP. Loss occurs is CP or CP greater than SP. Discount reduce market price. Final price equal to market price minus discount. Thank you.
Fold equal to part divided percentage multiply 100. Percentage share equal to part divided total multiply 100. Percentage error equal to error multiply 100. Net percentage change equal to combined effect. Simple interest formula equal to P multiply R multiply T divided 100. Amount equal to interest add interest. Interest rate equal to interest multiply 100 divided PT. Time in year equal interest multiply 100 divided PR. Fractional percentage is equal to 7 days. The total days in a leap year 366. 1 hour 60 minutes, 2 hour 120 minutes, 3 hour 180 minutes. 1 day 24 hours, 2 day 48 hours. Thank you to all. Percentage per unit equal to percentage divided quantity. Ratio of two quantity most have same unit. Simplest ratio appointed by dividing HCF. Compound ratio equal to product of ratio. Inverse ratio equal to particle of ratio. Direct proportion formula equal to A/B equal to C/D. Inverse proportion formula equal to AB equal to constant. Mean proportional equal to cube open bracket AC close bracket. Continuous proportion equal to A is to B equal to B is to C. Fourth proportional equal to open bracket B multiply C close bracket /A. Thank you. Presentation concept. Mathematics in music. Mathematics in music is when rhythm, beats and timing patterns helping understand the musical structures and create harmonic sequences. Coding logic concept. Coding logic involves using sequences, condition and loops to create programs that perform systematically and efficiently. Algorithm concept. Algorithm is a step-by-step producer or set of rules for solving problems or performing a task in a defined sequence. Flowchart concept. A flowchart is a diagram respecting a process using symbols and arrows, making complex procedures easier to understand and flow. Logical sequencing concept. Logical sequencing arranges steps or events in a correct order to achieve a desired outcome, essential in problem solving and programming.
Escalation product and exponential value for quick calculation. Model making involves creating miniature or simplified representation. Real object or systems to study. Data interpretation. Explain analyzing tables, graphs and charts. Explain meaningful information. Mathematics involve analyzing temperature and rainfall under the radar to predict patterns and make forecasts accurately. Scurvy concept. A scurvy type information from individuals or due to study characteristics, preferences or opinions systematically. Sampling concept. Sampling studies a portion of a population to make inferences about the whole saving time and resource while maintaining achieved. Population data concept. Population data encompasses statistics collected for an entire group, providing comprehensive insights into demographics or behaviors. Trend analysis concept. Trend analysis examines data over time to identify patterns, reactions or changes, helping in prediction and decision making. Thank you. Third proportional equal to P square slash A. Unitary method value total divided number. Cost price equal total cost divided number. Ratio of pieces equal total cost ratio. Ratio of pieces equal time multiplication pieces. Graphical misinterpretation. Graph data from graph is misunderstood or analyzed incorrectly, leading to wrong conclusion. Visual reasoning concept involves using images, diagrams or graphics is understand relationship, solve problem and draw logical conclusion. Logical fallacy concept. Logical fallacy is an error in reasoning that makes an argument invalid or misleading despite appearing plausible. Mathematical equip concept. Mathematics equip emphasizes honesty, integrity, and accuracy in calculation, data presentation, and problem solving. Accuracy versus presence and concept. Accuracy refers who close a measurement is to the true value, while presence and integrity consistent of repeated measurement. Both are important for reliable results. Mathematical communication concept. Mathematical communication involving explaining solutions, designing and ideas, clearly using words, symbols, diagram or graphs. Representation concept. Representation explaining expression. Mathematics ideas in multiple forms, such as symbols, graphs, table or model to enhancing understanding. Abstraction concept. Abstraction involving focusing on the general ideas and a pattern, knowing unnecessary detail to simplify and solve a mathematical problem effectively. Problem decomposition concept. Problem decomposition break complex problem into smaller molecular parts, make the design to analyze and solve step by step. Strategy selection concept. Strategy selection involving choosing most effective method or opportunity to solve a mathematical problem effectively and accurately. Thank you. Verification concept. Verification involves checking answer to ensure correctness using methods like recalculation, reverse operation, approximating in daily life. Approximating help make use practice such as shopping, travel time, budgeting when explore value are unnecessary. Reasonableness of answer. Reasonableness of an answer whether a result makes you in the given content accept it as correct. Visualize strategy concept. Visualize strategy using metal image or diagram to understand problem. Maths and technology. Explore tools like calculator, computer and software, plan solution data in setting.
Optimism concept. Optimism involves finding the best possible solution or outcome from a set of alternatives, maximizing benefits or minimizing costs. A constraint concept. A constraint is a limit or restriction that must be considered while solving a problem or making decision. Decision tree concept. A decision tree is a visual tool that maps out choices and possible outcomes, helping analyze consequences of decision systemically. Game theory is the concept. Game theory studies strategic interaction between individuals or groups where each participant depends on others' decision. Mathematics in daily decision. Mathematics in daily decision applies logical reasoning, calculation and analyze to make informed choices in budgeting, time management and problem solving. Thank you.
Co-prime number concept explains number having only one common factor even if they are not in themselves. Action concept helps finding the smallest common multiple of number useful in fraction operation. HCF concept helps finding greatest common divisor useful in simplification and sharing problems. Divisibility rules concept helps test divisibility of number without performing actual division. Even and odd number concept classifies number based on divisibility by 2. Successor and predecessor concept explains Numbers are come immediately after or before a given number. Number line representation shows number visually helping understand order, distance and operation. Absolute value concept explains distance of a number from zero, regardless of time. Thank you.
Rational number addition is done by converting to the same denominator. Rational number subtraction means subtraction rational number by converting them to the large denominator and then numerator carefully. Rational number multiplication is done by multiplying numerator together and denominator together. Rational number division is done by multiplying first rational number with the reciprocal of the second rational number. Active inverse of a number is the another number which when added to it gives. Percentage as fraction. When writing a percentage value as a fraction. Percentage as decimals means converting decimals by dividing by 100. Increase by percentage is the method of finding the after a new value after adding a given percentage as a fraction. Decrease by percentage is the method of finding after a new value after reducing a given percentage as the fraction. Factor varies two numbers that multiple to make a consonant product. Prime factorization is the process of finding the prime number. Make a given number. Divisibility rules is a shortcut to determine if a number is divisible by another. Factorization diagram used to show the prime factorization of a number. Divisibility rules is a factorization diagram used to show the prime factorization of a number. Exponential experience that is beginning multipled. Basis a number is an exponential experience that is beginning multipled. Thank you. Perimeter is the distance surrounding a square as a 4 side. The perimeter is sum of all four sides. Formula perimeter equal 4 into slide. If we find the perimeter is 4 into 5 equal 20. It is unit for perimeter is when unit like material. This formula is boundary length of a square. It is used to calculate the framing material. The square is a equal of perimeter. The perimeter is useful for tasks like finding a square. Maths is all much familiarity with the writing down. Estimation is processing of making an educated guess about a number or measuring. Benchmark number is reference point used to separate decimal point. Is the dot used to separate the whole number. Apart from the fractional part, decimal round down means to increase a number to the nearest lower value. Round up means to increase a number to the nearest higher value. Happy good evening to all. My name is Edappadi. I am studying 5th standard. Proportional relations quantity. Quantities increase or decrease at the same rate. Unit price. Unit price is the cost per unit of measurement, like price per pound or price per liter. Conversion factor is a ratio used to convert between different units of measurement. Measurement is the process of finding size length used to do more amount of something. Metric system. Metric system is the decimal closed system of measurement used in most countries. Size. Size is the measurement of something from side end to end. Width is the measurement of something from side to side. Height is the measurement of something from top to bottom. Volume is the amount of space an object occupies. Perpendicular lines are lines that intersect at a 90-degree angle. Thank you to all. Outcome is a possible result of an experiment or even is a group of outsetting of a outcome related to an experiment. It can be simple phase is the set of all possible performance experiments. Mathematical model is a representation of speed measured how far something moves. Former speed equal to the distance divided times distance is how far travel 100. For example, if a car travel 100 meters in 5 seconds, the speed is 100 divided by 5 equal to 20 meters per second. Speed measured in unit lakhs or kilometers per second per hour. This formula helps calculate the rate at which an object is moved. Speed is important for driving sports. Many real life activities you can use this formula to find out how an object is moved. Speed is fundamental concept in unit lakhs. Speed is fundamental concept in physics and everyday life.